So let's fix the part that when we play our game, we will just die, and if we are close to this, it will start like triggering again over and over the, the function. We don't want that. Easy way we can do it, and this is not the ideal way. We can go to our traps, and here we can just do a DoOnce, and then click complete. Then now here, it will only play once. Okay, that's great. This is what we want. However, if we respawn, we need to also tell it, oh, how do we reset it? And we have a Boolean here and everything. So let's just connect this one here. And instead, we're just doing it the legit way. So we're just going to the third-person character. In our kill the player function, let's just create a variable here called isDead. Okay, and let's just put this one here. Let's get it, and let's put a branch here. If the player is dead, do not go there, basically. Okay, so when we trigger this, we can just put a set here. Is dead? Yes. And that's it. Now we wouldn't be able to play this thing over and over. So let's try to take a look. Actually, yep. Let's see. So now that we have this, instead of having the traps, we're gonna use this variable here. Now we have the information of the player here in the other actor. Let's just cast to third-person character. Okay, and then here, I'm gonna go here, and then it's like get is dead. Okay, so if the player is dead, let's just do it again. If the player is dead, then we don't do this. If it's not dead, then we touch the trap. Okay, and then we can maybe add some logic to respawn and everything, but for now we just care that it works. So just jump here, waste it, and that's it. Great. So it doesn't sound twice. Let me confirm this by just going here and dying in the spot. There you go. So now that I have this, the player won't be able to die twice, only once. You only die once. Remember that.